Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about what is NPM and what does NPM do in Node.js application. Before getting to the video, is it possible to earn just by subscribing YouTube channel? Yes, it's possible through our subscribers program. So if you guys want to know about subscribers program, check out our channel page and click on the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram as well, so that you will be eligible to earn from subscribers program. So let's get into the video. So what's NPM? So if you guys ask someone like what's NPM, they'll say it's a node package manager. But what really mean it? What does node package manager do, and how it helps the Node.js application to become more popular? So NPM is a public repository where we can store our own custom modules and functions. So since it is like open source and free, so across the universe anyone can use that repository. So let's say I need a cron job module, like cron job function in my application. Instead of writing a 10 line of code in my application to create a cron job function, I can straight away import the pre-existing module from npm repository, and I can just use that module in my own code. So that's how it more helpful. Instead of writing a 10 line of code, we can just use the module or package, and we can just achieve that concept in 2 line of code. So that's how it's helpful, like to reduce our time and also to reduce the code. So as I said earlier, since it is an open source and free, so anyone can create their own module or package and just push to the npm repository. So let's say the same cron job application, like if I develop a cron job module with some custom functions, so I can just push that module or package to npm repository. The same way anyone from the universe can access that module and they can implement in their own application. So this is how npm works behind the scenes. So if you guys want to know how to access npm in my own laptop or computer, it's so simple. If you guys have node.js installed in your machine, then definitely you can able to access the npm. Why? Because npm is installed with node.js installation setup. So if you guys want to know how to install a node.js application, check out the video in the I button. Okay, what really this npm does in node.js application? So the answer for the question is like npm is the basic node package manager to create a node project. So let's see that in a Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so here it is a Visual Studio Code and we have a terminal. Let me type npm init. So this npm init command will initialize a new node.js project. So once it is get initialized, we will have a package.json file which will have some basic information about the specific project, like name, version, and couple of things will be there. So the same way we have two kind of things in the package.json file. One is like dependencies, another is dev dependencies. What does this dependencies and dev dependencies means? So whenever we install any package or module from npm repository, it will be installed in the node modules, installed in our local project, and it will be saved in this package.json file. So there is like two kind of dependencies. One is dev dependencies. What does dev dependencies means? So let's say I need to make my code like prettier. So I will be using prettier package to make the code prettier. Then I will be need to clear all lint errors. So I will be using ESLint package to clear all lint errors. These kind of packages will be used only at the time of development. So these kind of packages will be not needed at the time of production. So the packages that needed at the time of development will be in the dev dependencies, and the packages which will be needed at the time of production, it will be in the dependencies section. So this is the main difference of this dependencies and dev dependencies. So to install and uninstall a package from npm, it's a simple command like npm install, or you can just type I with the package name. So this will install a package in our current project or folder structure. So once it is get installed, you can see that specific package in the dependencies. So as I said earlier, we have like two kind of dependencies. To install that in a dev dependencies, you'll be using a flag called -save, then -dev. So this will install that specific package in the specific dev dependency. If you remove the -dev, then it will get installed in the dependency section. So this is how the installation gets saved in the specific section. So also we have a command flag called -g, which will install the specific package the globally. So we can access that specific package across the laptop anywhere, any other folder section or any other directory. So these kind of flags are available in npm. So these are some basic commands and flags. So the same way to uninstall a package from npm, so we'll be using an npm uninstall and the package name. So this will uninstall the package from our code or project. Hope this is helpful for you guys. If you guys want to know about any specific stack or technology, please drop a comment in the comment section. We definitely do a video for you guys. So keep supporting us, like, share and subscribe us.